राम राम सभी को। जय श्री कृष्ण। ओम नमः शिवाय।
In this video, we will learn how to practice Surabhi Mudra or Cow Mudra. First, we need to sit in Padmasan or Vajrasan position. Now we will connect our both hands in different manners to make Surabhi Mudra. An important thing you should keep in your mind as your dominating hand. It should come on top. My left hand is dominating, so I keep my left hand on top. Bring your both hands in front of you. First, connect your left hand's middle finger with your right hand's index finger. Now connect your right hand's middle finger with your left hand's index finger. Now connect your left hand's ring finger with your right hand's little finger. Now connect your right hand's ring finger with your left hand's little finger. Things to notice while doing Surabhi Mudra to avoid mistakes. You can place your left hand up or your right hand up as your dominating hand, choice or comfort. First, connect your left hand's middle finger with your right hand's index finger. Now connect your right hand's middle finger with your left hand's index finger. First, intercross. Connect your upper two fingers together. Now connect your left hand's ring finger with your right hand's little finger. Now connect your right hand's ring finger with your left hand's little finger. Secondly, intercross. Connect your lower two fingers together. Now place your hands in front of your Anahata chakra or chest or on your laps or Muladhara chakra. Now you are ready to do meditation in Surabhi Mudra. Now let's talk about the benefits of doing Surabhi Mudra. This mudra helps to balance all 5 elements in our body: earth, water, fire, air, and ether or space. It also helps to balance all 3 dosh in our body: Vata dosh, Pitta dosh, Kapha dosh. This mudra also helps to achieve our dream goals and ideas. It helps to activate or improve our Manipur chakra. Helps to get relief from acidity, gas problem. It also helps to improve and activate our pineal gland and pituitary gland. It also helps to improve arthritis and joint pain and improves hormonal balance. Now you have learned Surabhi Mudra.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family.